Hey friends, my name is Amy Rebecca. Welcome or welcome back to my channel and to another Project Pan update. Oh my gosh, I'm filming 3 videos in a row right now because I'm going away this week and I want to get it all done. I want to be organized, but man, like, I'm hungry now. Anyway, I've got some progress to report, got some pretty exciting things going on. I mean, if you're the kind of person who gets excited about beauty trash, then you will be excited by this, my friends. For those of you who are new, hi, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe if you enjoy videos like Project Pans, empties videos, no bio content. And also, please feel free to join our Facebook group because it's a good time. Okay, let's get into this so I can go have some lunch because I'm about to get hungry. Let's start with the blush. This is the NARS blush in Deep Throat. And as you can see, we have some further progress on this over the last month. I'm feeling very good about this one. That pan is really growing. I have a whole strategy behind this and everything. I take my Project Pan very seriously. I'm such a loser. I take it so seriously. I have a strategy. I'm trying to use up the right side. And then I will go across to the left side because I feel like that's going to be the best way to go about this. But yeah, that pan keeps growing and we love to see it. Next, let's talk about the moisturizer of the Project Pan. This is the Daily Smooth Body Butter by Soap & Glory. As you can see, this is where we started with it full, right? Yeah, so it started full and then I used up this much in the first month. And then this much, and now this much. So yeah, I'm kind of slowing down on the usage of this. Part of that is because obviously towards the top it's a lot thinner, so you know there's not that much product up there anyway. But part of it is also because I really don't like this product so much and I don't feel a pull to use it. I use it when I remember, but it's not like, oh, have I used that product? Because honestly, it doesn't make a huge difference to my life. So that's that. Next, let's talk about the Clinique Pore Refining Solutions Charcoal Mask. We've got some pretty steady progress with this across the last month. So this is where we were at the end of April. This is where we are now at the end of May. Maybe another couple months of this and we'll be done. I am ready to be done with this, honestly. Speaking of things that I have been ready to be done with, let's talk about our success of the month. The Clinique Long Last Lipstick in Pink Spice is done. I know it looks like there's a little bit in there, but that's just like the plastic casing. I was kind of for a little while dipping a lip brush in there to get the rest of the product out, but I'm not going to concern myself with that, okay? To me, this is done. I'm willing to call it. It's done. I know there is a little bit more product in there that I could scoop out, but am I that committed? No. I've been trying to pan this thing since February of 2020. I am glad to see the back of it. And I know I say that, but also, because I've been wearing this lip colour so much, I now feel that this is my lip colour. And so now I've used it up, I'm like, what the heck do I wear on my lips now? Oh, hey, Amy of the future here with an explanation as to why this video is so late. I pre-filmed this whole video and it wasn't until I sat down to edit it that I realised I hadn't shown you guys what I was switching the Clinique lipstick out for. And by that point I was away on holiday, so yeah, I had to wait till I got home. Sorry. But I'm going to be switching it out for another lipstick because I just like to torture myself like that. This one is the Rimmel Moisture Renew lipstick in Heather Shimmer. If you watched last year's Project Pan, you might recall this because it was, I think it was in the original lineup of my 2020 Project Pan. And let's just finish it off. So here's where we are right now. Obviously, there's not a huge amount left in this, but if that Clinique lipstick taught me anything, it's that don't be deceived by lipsticks because they last forever. So I'm going to be working on this one now. I want to, you know, if I could finish off 2021 saying I panned 2 lipsticks, I'd be feeling pretty smug. I'd be feeling pretty good about myself. Also, while I have you guys here, I just want to announce the giveaway winners for my Tangents That Nobody Asked For notebooks. So we had Lenny Steingen, Kirsten Gordon, Rain on Beauty, and Teresa Chick. Lenny has already let me know her address. If the other 3 of you could comment down below with an email address or an Instagram handle, some way that I can get in touch with you to find out where to post your prize to, then I'll get those sent off to you. But now let's return to what this video was meant to be. I think you've been wonky this whole time. I'm sorry about that. Okay, bye. Next, there was a product that I brought in last month, and that was the Garnier Body Summer Body Moisturized Lotion Sun-Kissed Look Moisturizing Lotion. It's a self-tan moisturizing lotion. I absolutely love this stuff, and as you can see, I have started using some of it. I honestly thought that I would have used more than that because it felt like I was using a lot when I was putting it on, but now when I've looked to see how much is still left in there, it's really not that much. But I do only use it on my legs because I'm afraid to use it on my arms, because if I use it on my arms, then what if I get like a weird line because I'm not able to reach the backs of my shoulders properly, you know? What if I just have a handprint on my back? I wouldn't want that. So I know at least with my legs I can like cover the whole of my legs pretty evenly and I won't get any streakiness. But yeah, I've yet to be brave enough to try it on the rest of my body. But I love this. If you haven't used this, Garnier just recently went cruelty free, so I can definitely recommend this. It's not streaky, it's not orange. I am very careful when it comes to any kind of fake tanning product because I am so pale and it will show up weird. I will look like an Oompa Loompa, you know? So I need something very natural. And even though this is the deep sun-kissed look, which is the darker of the two, it still looks very natural and it's not weird at all. Next, let's talk about this candle, this Madeleine candle. I mean, there is some progress there. It is majorly tunneling and you guys keep telling me to put foil on top of it to stop it from tunneling, and you are so right. But every time I go and light it, I think, oh, I should go get some foil, and then I'm just too lazy to go downstairs and get the foil. So next time I'm in the kitchen, I should just bring up some foil ready for the next time that I light the candle. I should. I don't know if I will, but I should. I don't really have a lot to say about this. It's kind of the world's most disappointing candle. Doesn't really smell like anything. And finally, let's talk about the OGX Argan Oil of Morocco Weightless Reviving Dry Oil. You can see the progress here. This is where we started. This is where we were at the end of last month, and this is where we are now. So not a huge amount of progress over the last month, but again, it is an oil and a hair oil at that. So it's something that you're not going to want to be using a bunch of unless you want to be like really greasy, which I don't. I have been finding myself reaching for this a little bit more often recently because my hair is due for a cut, and so it is a little bit more dry at the ends. So it gets a little bit more frizzy when it's ready for a cut. It's like my hair's way of saying, hey, don't forget, book a haircut. So I've just been spraying it at the ends, trying to keep it looking somewhat acceptable. It's going okay. I think with this lipstick, that brings us up to 6 products total, I think. Don't quote me, but I think this is 6 products total. We're 5 months in. I wanted to use up 21 products by the end of the year, so that's not looking great. Yeah, let's just think positive thoughts. I'm gonna be able to do it. A lot of these I feel like are gonna be finishing off at the same time. We might just have 1 month where I finish everything. How exciting would that be? But there you have it. That is my project pan update for May. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, then please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that I love you all so much. You are enough just as you are, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.